Hello, smart people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating topic of things that smart individuals tend to overlook. While intelligence comes in many forms, there are certain aspects of life that truly smart people choose not to focus on. Stay tuned as we explore 7 things smart people never pay attention to. Number 1, other people's opinions. Smart people understand that opinions are subjective and can be influenced by various factors. They prioritize their own values and critical thinking over seeking constant validation from others. Number 2, short-term setbacks. Smart individuals have a long-term perspective. They don't let small setbacks or failures deter them from their goals. Instead, they use these experiences as opportunities to learn and grow. Number 3, the need to be right. Smart people are more focused on finding the truth than proving themselves right. They embrace the idea that learning often comes from acknowledging when they're wrong and adapting their understanding accordingly. Number 4, past mistakes. Smart individuals don't dwell on past mistakes. Instead, they extract valuable lessons from them and apply that knowledge to improve their future decisions. It's all about continuous improvement. Number 5, comparisons with others. Smart people understand that everyone is on their unique journey. They avoid the trap of comparing themselves to others and focus on their own progress, celebrating their achievements without the need for external validation. Number 6, gossip and drama. Smart individuals steer clear of gossip and drama. They recognize the importance of their time and energy and choose to invest it in meaningful activities and relationships, rather than getting caught up in negativity. Number 7, immediate rewards. Smart people have the ability to delay gratification. They understand the value of patience and are willing to invest time and effort in pursuits that may not yield immediate rewards, knowing that the long-term benefits are worth the wait. And there you have it, smart people. 7 things that truly intelligent individuals choose not to pay attention to. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which point resonated with you the most. Stay smart, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and evolving. Bye for now.